Hey guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be about me showing you guys my hair, letting you guys know what is going on, which I have actually been telling you guys this for a minute now, that I have traction alopecia. I just happened to be looking on the internet and I was just seeing different things of when your edges is gone, when your hair is gone, how to be able to get it back, what does it mean. And then a lot of people always ask me, why do I go so hard on alopecia? Because I suffer from the same thing. There are several different types of alopecia. I suffer from the one that when you have tight braids, tight twists. Long time ago, that's all I used to do, guys, is go to the salon, the African salon. I used to always get braids like all the time, and I'm not blaming them, but I'm just telling you what I used to do. They would take like little bitty pieces of my hair and put it in braids, and what happens is after your hair start growing, it will eventually just snap off, like, and you don't want to have little bitty pieces. Anytime you wear a weave, make sure they're adding good amount of your real hair to the actual braid. And what I mean by, you see that right there, this happens when you again braid tight, and it's nothing to do with this style that I have right here, because when I say this is so loose, and I don't even style my hair really that much with locks, but like I said, when it was loose natural, I used to try to get every little piece inside of my braid or whatever it was. We so fixated for some reason on edges. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I am going to be trying a new product. Y'all know I have not tried a new product on my edges in a really long time, but I had one of my followers, I follow her, she followed me. I had seen that she was making her own oils and different things. Hold on. So we had some technical difficulties. I'm very anal about things getting in my eye. And they have on this oil, I love the oil, but it has like some little glitter stuff on it. And you got to be careful, y'all, because it might possibly get in your eye. Other than that, like I was telling you guys, I am trying a new oil. I was following one of my Instagram friends, and she was posting about her, for one, she got really nice looking hair, very nice looking hair, and she was saying that she'll be coming out with a growth oil soon. So once she said that, I was like, oh, you know what, I would love to be able to try your growth oil. I was like, I'm gonna give it, I'm gonna try it again on my edges, because you guys know I just kind of just gave up. They look 100% better than they did, but they still, unfortunately, is not 100%. So I'm going to try to do this hair growth oil. I'll be putting this on my hair once a day. And like I said, was telling you guys, I mixed it with some mint essential oil because I just can't stand the smell of it. It has the neem oil, which is an excellent oil, but unfortunately my nose is just so keen to smells. Neem oil never been my favorite, but once I add that peppermint oil in here, killed the smell. So thank God of that. And like I said, guys, I have been using it for maybe about a couple of days. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back to you guys probably in about 3 weeks to let you know if it worked or not. I'm feeling like it's gonna work. I mean, I love how thick it is. So I'm telling you guys, if you want to try this oil, most definitely try this oil. Like I said, you guys, I suffer from alopecia. There's several different type of alopecias. You can always just Google it. I have locks and I don't be pulling and making it tight. Don't have that problem no more. So I'm telling you guys, sometimes you just gotta just, and what I'm also gonna do is you gotta stop having tight things, as well as you gotta just kind of give it a break. Even if you're using a wig, sometimes that wig, that lace around there can cause that friction. So I'm telling you, sometimes you just want to just let your edges just be. We are so fixated on having the edges slick and this and that. The edges and the nape area is the most fragile area. So you want to make sure you take care of that. If you're getting braids, make sure you are getting your edges done, to be honest with you, in 4 weeks, because hair grow in 4 weeks. Once your hair start growing, the new growth and the weave hair just dangle. So you most definitely want to get your hair, if you get braids, get them touched up, and that give you a whole nother month or so to go longer. Get that nape area and them edges touched up. Again, I just wanted to come to you guys, let you know the truth. You know what I'm saying? I have alopecia. Again, it's not like it's not the kind, you have different types. I have the kind, again, from tight braids. I used to wear tight braids for so many years. I used to go to the salon so many years and let them just unfortunately pull out my edges. And then I was so used to doing that, letting them do it, I found myself doing it. So we both messed it up, and now I'm about to get them back again. So guys, come with me on this journey. Again, I'll put the information of the oil in the video description box. Can't wait to try it out. I'm super excited. And I know like people always ask me, why do I go so hard for people with alopecia? That's why I go so hard. I am so for real about making sure my clients' edges is there. I don't make them tight. Please guys, be careful with them edges, because once they gone, it is so hard to get back. So stay tuned guys. Just wanted to tell you again, I'll put all the information in the video description box. Can't wait to see how they look. So here you go guys. I'm going to show them to you so you can know. I'm going to come back to you guys in about 3 weeks to a month. We'll evaluate, see what we got. And right now I got my ponytail, my actual Bantu knot is pulled back like this. So that's why it's looking like that. Both of them are pulled back because I hate sleeping on them. But other than that, if I didn't have it pulled back like that, you wouldn't even be able to tell. It's not tight. So please don't talk about tightness. I've done this for years and years and years. Right now with my locks, no tightness jumping off, okay? So please don't leave in the video description box. I told you what caused it. And if you keep on making yours tight, it'll become like that too. Okay. Okay guys, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to put below your experience with your edges growing, coming back. Let us know about it. Okay, bye guys, be blessed.